Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, February 28th, last day of February 2023. Take a look at the Vedic timing windows. Yesterday we had a real nice setup around 10 where we made this new high. We were anticipating a high on the 26th, which was Sunday. We got the move up overnight, made the high early on the 27th after the open, where we had the white A1 over the green A3 black, the big green A3 black, which was a wide window covering 2 to 3 days. What that did was tell us, according with our cycle timing, that the high was going to come in that window. So as we made the new high, where we took out the high of Friday, gave us a really good opportunity when we hit that white window that triggered off that real nice short trade right here that got triggered about 10:20, 10:24. And then when we hit our only other timing window in that day, we got the white A2 timing window. We had the white on white, then the green on white. That triggered two nice trades. Those weren't new highs or lows, but they were still two nice setups. I was looking for a new low to be made over here before the window closed, and we didn't quite get there because we had these wicks on this set of lows here to take out. That low was taken out after the window had closed and right before we got to this green timing window. But looking at looking at the A1 panel, look at all the white and green windows where I marked vertical lines. They all triggered reversals except for this one right here, right before 1600, where the market just traded up through that window, and then these windows right here at 1900, right here, but where the market was in its no volatility period, when the market's just trading inside these small prior swings. There's nothing going on there, and no trade should be taken. Right here, where volatility picked up again, we got this end of the window signaled the reversal back down, and then later on after midnight we got a minor reversal and we got this reversal back down, and then we hit the second half of the little double bottom here, triggering this long. Not saying that every one of these is a trade signal, just showing the effectiveness of the timing. Your best signals are always going to be in the regular day session where we have the most movement and the highest volatility. But for those trading in the off hours, you can still find some good trades, but you definitely do want to stay away from these areas of chop like this right here. You don't want to be jumping in that. You want to let something set up, like you start to pick up volatility right here at 1940, and that's really right after this green window closes, and you go into this swing up. You get this swing down. That little white window just misses. The move had already started up outside of it, but then when you get to the end of the green window, you've got this increase in volatility up, and then you get your reversal bar, and then you get a little short trade there if you want it. And then as you get into this next little area here, you're starting to lose volatility again, and you can see that because you've got this high, and you've got the low of that swing here. And then as you come up, this little move up doesn't break out of this range. So if you did get pulled into a short trade here, it just didn't really go far. You could either wait that out or you'd have an opportunity to scratch that trade with a small profit. So for those, trading in the off hours, you're just going to have a quicker trigger or a little more patience. That's all. But as you can see, just from this amount of signals on this one chart, these Vedic timing windows alone are worth the price of the storm material.